Combine in a saucepan 400 ml of heavy cream, half vanilla bean and 2 grams of agar-agar. Stir and let come to a simmer. Mix together 2 egg yolks, 100 grams of sugar and a tablespoon of water. Add a little bit of the cream to the egg mixture and stir it in. This is called tempering. Do not add all the cream at a time to prevent cooking your egg yolks. Put the egg and heavy cream mixture back into the saucepan and cook it for 2 minutes. You're trying to get at a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit and you keep it at that temperature for 2 minutes. Strain through a fine china cup, skim the foam from the top of the custard. You will then pour the thin layer of the custard into the acetate mold. Let it set for a minute and then fill up with more of the custard till the desired level. Let it set in the fridge for 2 hours. You will then place the crème brûlée onto a plate, remove the acetate ring mold, sprinkle it with some sugar and burn it with a torch. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that quick demo